Ayan guys, good morning. Good morning dahil 11:30 pa nga lang ng umaga. And tayo kakaligo lang, kahit kaligo lang natin. Tayo amoy ginisa na naman tayo. Ako'y gumagawa ng ano ba tawag dito? Chicken noodle soup. Hindi siya supas dahil hindi ko lalagyan ng ng gatas, kaya parang western soup, chicken noodle soup. And ayun, si Steve went to his chiropractor. Hindi na kami sumama dahil ang dami kong labahin, ang daming nagbitin, ganun. And ayan, ako'y lalagyan natin ng sweet peas. Ayan, peas guys, yung ating soup, noodle soup. Mag-harvest tayo, magulang na itong mga soup eh. Magulang na pala itong mga peas. Ayan ang aking kalabasa na mulaklak na nga. Guys, ayan na. Harvest lang na itong peas. Aray ko, hindi na ako nakapag-delayed pati. Ayan, busy sa ano tawag dyan, sa kaka-shopping. Shopping talaga with my visitors na mga Canadian guys. Grabe ang saya. Nakadami kaming chika, nakadami kaming tawanan, lutuan. Hindi naman, hindi kami nagluto masyado. Ayan, malapit na yung system matapos. Ay, ang dami na ano na. Ayan guys, wala nang hugas yun, hapras-hapras lang to. Ito ganito na pala kalala ko yung pinakamatamis niya. Look at Mr. Deer.
Hi, Mr. Deer.
Oh, that's a mama deer, looks like.
Hi, Mr. Deer.
Hey! Is that a baby daddy or a mama?
Hey,
Are you a mama there?
are you a mom?
Hi.
I'm sure he's not a daddy because he don't have that on top of his head.
Name.
It's free.
Okay, Dad, get up.
Juliana comb her hair. I mean brush her hair. Let me see, babe. What are you doing?
Getting this off.
And the baby. And the Lola.
What did I do?
And Eloise. Wow, girls' hair days today. Let me see. Mag-alas 12 na kasi hindi pa ako nakag-video. Hindi pa ako nakapag... Ay. Meron to. Box Steve. Wala naman dito. Saan kaya yun? Dito pala. Ay, kung ano-anong pinag-o-order. Walang magawa sa buhay. Nung nag-Walmart kami kahapon, kuha ng isang box ganito, 40 snack size. Binalik ko nga. Ay, hindi din nakalusot. Ayan, kinuha din online. Ay.
Catch it on the way home.
And we are getting ready to go for a walk. Don't eat the roses, babe. This dog eat roses.
Because she roses. No, because she's a... We should name it... We should have
And
named...
she can't wait.
Mom,
Leave that alone.
Mom, we should have named her Rose.
Okay, let's go.
I'm playing this for me or you.
Okay.
Yeah, we just got back from our walk with Lola. Keep pulling and pulling and pulling. Oh, she throw up, Daddy. She drink too fast. Yuck.
There's something right there with.
Ayan.
Go get the water.
Yuck. Lola.
Get the water.
Did she finish the whole thing?
No.
She drink too fast. I'll get the water. Ah, nasuka ang lola be. Hinihingal pa rin. Tapos sobrang hingal niya. Hila ng hila. Kaya hindi ako makapag-video eh. Parang ano. Eh pagbalik namin, uhaw na uhaw. Pagkatapos namin mag-walking, ayan, kalagayan. Wala kaming swimming pool eh, kaya ayan na lang. Ano tawag dyan? Para-paraan. Ah, diba? Watermelon season, you guys. Oh, pagkabukas mo palang gawin. Hagbok ba? Ano tawag dyan? Obvious na masarap. Ayan. Wow, from Walmart. On sale to $4.98 something. Or $4.97. Lola!
Come here, Lola.
Oh, she got out. Where is it?
Across the street.
Already? Is that quick? Come
Here,
here.
Lola.
The rabbit,
Shh.
Lola, get
Come
over
here.
the rabbit always goes across the street and goes fishing.
It's brown might be hiding from my one of my plants. She's just right here. Oh, she happened. Wait. Ayan si Caleb. Nag-away pa kami niya. Kasi gusto niya matulog early morning. Alas 9. Matulog.
What you got in your mouth? Huh? What you got in your mouth? What you got in?
Probably her ball. Let me see, babe. Piece of. What is it?
Let it go. Let it out. Let it out your mouth. Let it out your mouth.
A piece of.
Lola, come here. Come here.
Her ball, Daddy.
Give me your ball.
It's a ball. She got a big mouth as well. There you go, babe. Why the wagon over there?
You told me to the container.
What over there?
That's past the container.
That's still part of the container. And then you go by the car and then come on back one more. Oh, you go run? Ito yung bicycle therapy niya sa akin, walking. And then you go touch the car and come back. Is that your sword?
My hit my wife. Come close.
I'm close. Ah! Sword. Ayan, pangalawang laps na yun. Nahuhulog pa ang pantalon. Aba, why don't you hit it hard?
I'm pretending it's you.
Let's go, Lola.
Come on, Lola.
Ito yung lunch ko kay Calvo. Ito ay homemade clam chowder. Tapos may broccoli yung mga kaek-chira na, kaek-eka na ganyan. Broccoli, potatoes, may corn, may carrots. Ayan. And then, ayan yung side na, apart na. Meron tayong blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and peas from our garden. And ayan, leftover chicken hot dog. O, diba? Para may lasa ng pagkain. Gumagawa lang ako. Ayan guys, salad. Salad. Wala pang gatas.
Alright, so anyone has an issue with the biryani today? Stick to the biryani. Do you want to go to the beach? A lot of people might be thinking, why are we coming to the beach on a rainy day?
But there's a famous quote that says, life is not about words, but it's words that matter. So learn how to answer.
noodles. Ay, sarap. Nakalig na naman ako. Macaroni salad. Macaroni fruit salad ba yun? Ayan. Mukhang napaka-creamy. Bigyan ko kaya ano macaroni or other fruits. And Ethel ran out of battery again
You can get that battery.
because of this navigator. Ay, grabing init. Nag-andar na rin sa Italy dahil in-start namin with the starter jumper. 85 degrees! Ay, ay, ay! We are going out. Just to get out. Go to the lake maybe. Super init. Come on, lock the door! Let's go!
It wouldn't lock for a minute.
Oh, it's fine.
I got a video.
Yeah, you're in video. I can video you.
Mom, the
You're a
sand's
pink
not
girl.
hot. I'm at white, not pink.
There's pink on it. And we are here at the beach. Sunny Point Beach something.
Have you
Daming
gone to the
tao.
water?
Go!
It's not burning.
Okay.
Be careful. Just run. Just run because it's hot. Go. Ayan, oh, mainit yung buhay mo. No, you go with your sister like that. Go run. Run. No, it's go be hot when the water is go. In the middle. Me too, like that. She's hopping.
Yeah, Eloise and Stephanie. Laying in the water. Ayan.
I don't want to play the water unless I'm going to actually plan.
Go play!
No, because I can't.
Ang daming tao. Diyan sa kabila meron pa yan. Ayan, tapos na kami guys. Nature walk to the car. What happened?
Mom,
Nothing.
what kind of number is this?
Okay.
You a bug.
See, I told you always put your hair up. A bug got in her hair.
She might have got more. Just don't.
So, magpapit sa siguro. Naubos na guys. Naatakwan. Yan ang sana pinunta ko dito. Wala pa.